Hi, welcome to Richard Gabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to remove apps and allow notifications leave focus on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the Settings, scroll down and click the Focus. Then in the Focus, click the Sleep. Then in the Sleep Focus, click Apps under the Notifications. Then in the Notifications, under the Allow Notifications bar, you will see the list of applications that you added on the list. And if you want to remove this, just click the negative side on the upper corner. And it's now removed. And that's it. We have successfully removed apps and allow notifications leave focus on iPhone X. If you have a question, can you comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching.